I saw you. Two hearts intertwined, so true. The way you smile, the way you laugh, you light up my world. It's all about you. Gemini, for you shine so bright.
Oh my God.
Your bond feels just right. And every step you walk as one, together always till the journey's done. No distance, no time can break this vow. Gemini 4th, forever now.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Who wrote this?
You lift each other when you fall. No need for words, you hear the call. In every smile and every glance, a love so strong, a perfect dance. Whoa, Gemini 4th, you shine so bright. Your love, your bond feels just right. And every step you walk as one, together always till the journey's done. No distance, no time can break this vow. Gemini 4th, forever now.
Thank you, Gemini 4th, for coming to Los Angeles. We're so happy that you're here.
Thank you, Gemini 4th, for existing and being a part of my life.
Hi PJ and Picon, thank you for coming here to the USA. I'm really happy to see you guys and I'll support you no matter what. Love you both.
Thank you, Gemini 4, for always making a smile to my face. I will always support you. Much love from Mexico, and I'll see you in LA. Los amo.
Thank you, Gemini 4, for making me smile every single day. You make my days better, and also for being my motivation to make my first international travel for a week concert in Thailand.
Thank you, Gemini 4th, for being my daily dose of happiness.